this second lesson, I will explain how to make a Shaggy texture on here. The first brush cut technique, brush stroke technique. Brush cut technique, brush cut by general scissors, and stroke cut technique by thin scissors. Brush slicing cut and deep point cut technique. The second method hair technique is original. The second technique is laser cut technique. Plus slice cut technique by laser cut technique. Third, general unique original stroke technique to make Shaggy texture. The first point cut technique by general scissors plus slice cut technique plus deep point cut technique. Except for techniques, we can make a Shaggy texture by another haircut technique. This is general haircut technique to make a Shaggy texture. Also, I would like to say we can make a Shaggy texture combine several mixed haircut technique for the best Shaggy texture result. So today, just in my opinion, I explain 4 technique to make a Shaggy texture on drawing by demonstration. Now I explain several haircut techniques for Shaggy hair texture. One haircut technique is first brush cut technique with the general brush cut, general scissors, and with the thin scissors. Using technique and anti-point technique. Including slicing, side up slicing, side slicing. This is the first haircut technique using brush cut and stroke techniques with the thinning scissors and slicing and deep point cut. The second technique is using laser. Spray water. Laser cut is wet cut. Once more I saw Shaggy texture by laser. Grasp hair strands and press the laser on it 0 degree and 45 degree and slide and cut it. Laser cut. Also, laser cut is called wet cut. If you want more Shaggy texture, press not 45 but 15 angles like this and slide it. look at the Shaggy texture. We can also, treat with the, slicing technique. Side slicing. To make, more Shaggy texture. 이제 up slicing. And down slicing. By using razor, we can see Shaggy texture on video area to hair ends. We want less Shaggy texture, we can treat, medium stroke technique by razor. 45-degree angle, place the scissors on her ends, place the razor on her strands, 45-degree angle, and slide. This is a medium stroke by razor. 45-degree angle, remember, 45-degree angle. We can see, less, Shaggy texture, we can see less Shaggy texture than, long stroke. This is medium stroke by razor. As I explained the first lesson, stroke technique is dry cut technique. I explained how to do stroke technique on first lesson, specialized stroke scissors. Grasp hair strand and strand and twist it. This is just hair strands and two stroke. By using stroke scissors, we can see the shaggy texture on with partial hair ends like this with the medium stroke technique. If we don't like the hair the texture on hair ends, cut it hair ends. Like this, compared to before and this, the hair ends cut like this. This is less, Shaggy texture looks. If we see thick surface on some area with the thin scissors, we can treat some area. Side slicing, side up and side slicing. And deep point cut. We can make the Shaggy texture another, force tail technique, point cut technique, and slice. side, slashing, and down slashing. And deep point contact. Sometimes, twist the hair ends, twist the strands, and slashing. Twist it, twist some hair strands, and slash to make more say texture. This time the texture was made by point cut and slash technique and deep point cut technique, like this.